Hey guys! Ejecting a USB drive on a Mac is a super simple task, but you might not know all the tricks to do it safely and efficiently. I have a camera memory card here, and I'm going to connect it to my computer. Now, if you want your external devices to show up right on your desktop and in the Finder sidebar as soon as you plug them in, here is how you set that up. While you are in Finder, go to the Finder menu, then click Settings. For the sidebar, click on the Sidebar tab, then check the box for External Disks. Once you check this, any external hard drives or memory cards you connect will show up right here in the Finder sidebar. As for the desktop, go to the General tab, then select External Disks, and also CDs, DVDs, and iPods. By selecting these options, your external drives and cards will appear instantly on your desktop. This makes it much easier to access your files. Now, to actually eject a USB drive, you can do it from the Finder sidebar. The standard way is to right-click on the drive you want, then choose Eject. But that takes 2 clicks. Instead, you can just click the small Eject icon right next to the drive name. Just 1 click, and you're done. The second way involves the trash can. You can drag the USB icon down to the trash. You'll notice the trash icon on the dock turns into an eject symbol. Just drop it there. Your USB will be safely ejected without any data loss. The third way is using a keyboard shortcut, and this is the best one. Select one or multiple drives, then hit Command E. The selected drives are ejected instantly and safely. This is the fastest method and the one I use all the time. Thanks for watching. If you want more helpful tips for new Mac users, make sure to check out the playlist on the channel. See you in the next video.